In this video, we'll delve into the role of the referral system in the settings part of our admin panel. Let's begin. First, we'll access the settings. Click on Settings. Then, we'll select the referral code. Here, we can see different options for customers and drivers. Let's go to the Customer section. Here, you can see options like Search by ID, Apply, and Clear Filter. Let's look at the details of a referral code. We can view the people who have used this referral code. For now, only one person has used this referral code. You can see the customer's name and number. You can also view the email address of the customer who used the referral code and the date they used it. This provides details about who used the referral code. Here, we have the ID, customer name, phone number, email, and referral usage details. Then, we can see the referral information. This contains details about the person who gave the referral code to another person. Next, let's check out the driver section. Here, you can see a list of drivers. We'll select a driver to explain the usage of the referral code. Here, 2 people have used this referral code. Similar to the customer section, you can see details like the date, phone number, email, and a list of friends who used the referral code. Here, you can see the ID, driver name, phone number, email, referral usage, and the referral code. The referral code is part of the settings in the admin panel. You can search by ID or name or clear all inputs. That's the flow of the referral code. I hope this helps you understand the role of the referral code in the settings of the admin panel. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this guide was helpful to you.